you can turn a knotted head pin into these super cute dragonfly earrings. Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today we're making our own knotted head pin and turning it into a cute little dragonfly. So without further ado, let's get wired. For the dragonfly, I'm using about 6 inches of 24 gauge artistic wire. I'm going to make a little loop about an inch from the end. Create a centered loop with your round nose pliers. Hold the loop with your flat pliers and wind the end around a couple of times. Not too tightly, we want it to have a little bit of slack. Clip the end flush with your nipper tool or flush cutters. Hold the wire with your chain nose pliers and pull down with your nylon jaw pliers to collapse that loop and make a knot. You may have to pinch it in a bit with your chain nose pliers to straighten it up, and then add 5 small seed beads. These are the 11-0 size. Hold the beads and bend the wire to the left. We're going to form some wings with our round nose pliers, curving the wire with our thumb as we go, and we want to make an infinity sign configuration, so we'll bend it back, making sure the wings are the same width. Curve around with your finger, and once we have the first set of wings, we will form the second set exactly on top of the first ones to make sure they're the same size. I do have some designs for dragonflies made on the jig that I'll link up in the description below the video. Continue making a second infinity sign, curving with your thumb, making sure the wings line up, holding the wire with the round nose pliers and curving it around towards the center. Once you have your wings made, we are going to hold them firmly on one side and take the end and wind it around once, one full turn to hold the wings together. We can separate the wings at this point, bringing the underneath wing down or up, depending on how you want them to look. I ended up adjusting them so they would look the same, making sure the wings go in the same direction. Little details sometimes make a difference. And then we're going to put a 4mm miracle bead for the head, making sure it's centered. Hold the bead firmly and bend the wire on an angle so we can make a centered loop with our round nose pliers. Bring the wire right around, make sure it's centered. Hold the loop with our chain nose pliers and bring the wire around one full turn. Clip the end flush with our flush cutters or nipper tool. Make any little adjustments to curve out the tail. And we're going to make some earring hooks with 22 gauge German style wire. The German style wire is safe for your ears. It's nickel compliant, but if your ears are sensitive, you can use gold filled wire, or if you're doing them in silver, you can use argentium or sterling silver wire. My preferred for earring hooks is 21 gauge half hard wire. We're forming them at the same time. We used our bail making pliers, and now we are going to line them up so we can trim the ends the same length with our flush cutters. Use the burr cup tool wire rounder to soften the ends of the wire. You can use a file if you prefer. I'll link up all my materials in the description below the video. So soften up those ends. Open up the hooks with your chain nose pliers. Add your cute little beaded dragonflies. Close up the hooks. And there are your beautiful beaded dragonflies made with the knotted head pins. And I'll link up another tutorial for knotted head pins in the description below the video. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my Etsy DIY shop where I have all kinds of ebooks and templates for wire art and jewelry. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% on any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can also join me live on Wire Lady TV every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas and designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Happy wiring, everyone, and we'll see you the next time.